brachialis, you're going to take the biceps and just scoot it off to the side. So you're going to go right under the biceps. And most of these muscles we're using pin and stretch on. So you're going to scoot the biceps over, get to the brachialis. So you flex the arm here, make the contact, then lengthen the arm while we hold the contact. And we'll just work from all the way from the angle here at the elbow, just making several passes on the lateral aspect, several passes on the medial aspect of that brachialis muscle, working it all the way. Remember, the brachialis will run about up to here. It is an elbow flexor. So we'll work it here, work it here. Remember, you're just going right under the biceps. It's right under the biceps. So you have to get it. You have to go under the biceps at an angle off to the side.